My name is Steve Garrett. I'm manager of R&D department at Nifco UK. So our job is to look primarily at powertrain commodities and to assess where the customers will need their products in a few years from now. So we're looking to develop those technologies in-house using new equipment that we've been bringing into the business in the last sort of 18 months or so. As a tier 1 supplier to the automotive industry, having 3D printing on site has really helped our relationship with our customers. They've been able to see that we can produce parts in a quicker response time and also do testing in a shorter lead time as well. We bought a Stratasys Fortis FDM 380 machine. We looked at a number of machines that were out on the market, and we chose that one particularly because of the material availability and the type of and the properties of the materials that that machine produces in. It best fitted our needs in terms of engine testing. We can produce parts on that will live for a decent amount of hours on an engine test, and also some of the other testing that we're doing here in-house. For Nifco, what we wanted to do was develop our powertrain commodities and do that through the use of rapid prototyping. We've got on site here an engine test dynamometer and also a bunch of other test equipment such as environmental chambers and oil separation chambers. What we wanted to do was use 3D printing to rapidly create prototypes for those because the traditional methods of creating prototypes is usually a longer lead time and involves going outside to external contractors. So we wanted to bring that in-house and be able to turn around our designs and our innovations in a much quicker time frame, printing stuff overnight if you like to be able to test the next day rather than having to raise purchase orders and go through the paperwork chain. And what we found is from that the parts we produce have greatly benefited our discussions with customers. We've been able to print out samples and take those to meetings with our customers, and it's helped us to change the discussion with our customers as well, because rather than them looking at a part on a very large CAD screen, they're actually looking at the part for real, and they can actually get a real tactile sense of what they're developing with us or what we're developing for them, and that helps them to understand and change the conversation as well. And it's really helped us build a relationship with our customers as well, because they've seen that we're developing and we're creating the part proactively with them. Our experience of working with SYS has been so far positive. We've had the machine now since March this year, and we've had good support out of SYS in terms of running the machine. We've had one or two little issues with the machine and with supplies as well over that period of time, but SYS have come to the fore and bent over backwards to help us out with those issues and got the machine back up and running, which has really helped us to support our customer base really, and particularly with some key jobs that we were running at the time. So yeah, we really appreciate working with SYS on that one. Since we got the machine, the benefits have been impressive for us really. Not so much in terms of tangible or monetary benefits, but certainly in terms of our reputation and how we've dealt with our customers and how we've been able to speed up the turnaround of developing prototypes. So we can take CAD and produce that into a part in a matter of hours, and our customers have seen that benefit very quickly as well, and we've been able to give them very good support. So the benefits have been intangible, but they have been massive, and certainly in that realm the machine has been well worth buying. We found that other departments within Nifco have been able to utilise our machine in ways that we hadn't originally conceived of, and they've been coming to us asking whether we can help them out with printed parts to support their operations, whether it be in manufacturing fixtures or whether it's in terms of doing projects. Those sort of benefits have really come to the fore. What I would say to anybody who's looking to buy a 3D printer is it's okay to make the decisions based on what you think you may have done in the past in terms of rapid prototyping, but I think once you get a machine on site, you'll find that you'll use it more than you originally conceived. So we went with SYS because we had a look at a range of machines that were out there in the market, and we saw a better service offering from SYS in terms of not only geographically but also their response times, and also financially it made some sense as well to go with them. But really responsiveness with working with SYS and the relationship that we've had with their sales team that I've had in the past before I came to Nifco has certainly worked for us to get a good choice of machine, and they were able to present to us all the options that were available and steer us in the right direction for getting the right option.